Would you like to commentate?
This is how you peel potatoes, the economical way.
Keep up. Roxy. Roxy. Okay, Zoe.
Do it fast.
Well, first I gotta get the hang of it. Girls! Hey, girls! They won't catch it if I do it fast. Girls, Zoe. Keep up. Keep up. She's good at that.